Hey there, welcome back to Coding Stuff, and this is 11th part of our Instag blog app. And in this video we'll add comments to our cloud firestore, and we'll also try to retrieve them as well. And if you like the tutorials, you can subscribe to the channel. That will help me, and also it will encourage me to make more tutorials. Okay, so in the activity comments we have this edit text and this add comment button, so we have finded their IDs as well. So what we'll do, we'll add on click listener to our add comment button. Set on click listener, new on click listener. So first of all, we'll create one string variable that will retrieve the comment, and this will be equals to comment edit dot get text dot to string, and we'll check if this comment is not empty. So not equals comment dot is empty, then we'll proceed. Else we could display one toast as this right comment. And if this is not empty, then we'll add it to the cloud firestore. So for that we'll require the cloud firestore. So private firebase firestore equals to firebase firestore dot get instance. Okay, so before proceeding, I'll just open the Google Chrome and our project. So in here the cloud firestore. So we have stored the likes inside this post, and we have the blog post ID, and inside that we have created the sub collection. So similarly we are going to create the comments sub collection inside this post collection. So for that we need to pass that post blog post ID from our post adapter class. So over here we are setting on click listener to our comment speak over here. So with the comment intent we can send some data, start put extra, and this will be post ID, and of course this will be post ID. And then in our main activity, in our comments activity, we'll create one string, so private string, and again this will be post ID. So here we'll write post ID equals to get intent dot get string extra. Our key value was post ID, so it will store that post ID in here. So we'll just call our firestore and dot collection. So we have post plus the post ID, then concatenate with comments, so slash and comments, and we have to provide slash over here as well. So before adding the values, we'll create one map. So map string comma object comments map equals to new hash map, and then we'll add some values to our comments map. So comments map dot put, first will be comment, and this will be comment as well, and then comments map dot put will pass the timestamp as well, so time, and this will be field value dot server timestamp, and again comment map dot put will pass the user over here, so user, and we need to pass one, we'll create one string, so private string current user ID. So for getting current user ID we'll require the firebase auth. So auth equals to firebase auth dot get instance, and the current user ID equals to auth dot get current user dot get your ID, and we'll pass that over here, so current user ID. and we'll add here, so dot add, and we'll pass this comments map. Then we can have the complete listener, so add on complete listener and new on complete listener. Again here we'll check if the task is successful, else we'll display one toast as an exception, so we can find out the fix for it. Task.get exception.get message, and let me put semicolon over here. So as the comment added, we just want to display one toast, so that will be comment added. Okay, and we'll put some space over here. Now I will hit on the run button and we'll check it's working or not. Okay, so it has been installed. So I'll just like this first and I'll hit on the comments icon and let me write here nice pic, and I will hit on the add comment button. So comment added, you can see we need to refresh this. Okay, so which one? So it was from the Jon Snow, so its name was Winterfell. Let's just check. Okay, so this was the post, as you can see, and here sub collection has been created. So inside that we have the random key generated again from the Cloud Firestore, and you can see the nice big comment and this timestamp. This is the user. Okay, so whenever you add dot add to our Firestore queries for storing the data into Cloud Firestore, it will generate a random document for us. So this is one, and we can get it also, as you know we have done it already for these IDs. Okay, so now I'll just minimize this, and our comment section is working. So now we'll try to retrieve them. Okay, so first of all we'll need to create one XML file for each comment, I think so. Okay, so new and layout resource file, write each comment, done. Okay, and from each post we'll copy this circle image view, or we can just do it manually, like, and we need to create one card view. So we'll create one card view over here. So height will be, width will be match parent, and height will be wrap content, and this will also wrap content. And inside this we'll have another constraint layout. This will be match parent and match parent, and inside this we'll have that circle image view from here. So I'll just copy this till here and I'll paste it over here, Control V, and it's like this. Okay, we need to constraint all of them. We'll constraint it, but before again we'll require the username. So from this we'll copy from here and I'll paste it over here. Again we'll require the comment, so for comment we'll copy this again, and let me just increase its size to 19, and we'll decrease the username size to 13 sp or 14 sp. Now we'll see and we'll constraint all of them. So this is username. Okay, so this was comment. Let me just write their comment. And also we need to change this text fields ID. So instead of comments TV, we'll have as comment TV, and the username, so comment username TV, or just comment user, and this will be comment profile pic. Okay, so now we can just constrain them. So this will be constrained to the, and we'll add some margin of like 16 dp, and from the top 8 dp. Okay, and username, this will constrain to this circle image view, and just put it over here, and top of this will be constrained to top of the circle image view, and we'll add a bit margin of 8 dp. Okay, and the comment will be constrained to this circle image view and to the username, and we'll add some margin of 8 dp, and from here as a 16 dp, and this will be as well 16 dp. So instead what we can do, we'll increase the size of this one to 19 sp or to 18 sp, and we'll decrease the comment size to 14 sp. Okay, so this is not the great design. If you want to like do your stuff, you can do so, and we'll just learn the concept, how we can retrieve them and how we can show them, and the design is totally based on you. Okay, so we need to constrain this card view, so we'll constrain it horizontally in parent and to the top as well. So from the top it will be 16 dp or 8 dp, and from the both sides it will be 8 dp as well. Okay, and then we need to set the background color or it will mess up, so color white, and of the card as well, so background color white, white, and again of our constraint layout we'll set the background to the color white. Okay, so that's it for the design. Now we'll just close this stuff, the post adapter as well. So in the model class we'll need another model class, so hit on the Java class, and I will name it as a comment. Okay, comments. So in this comment class we'll just have two variables, so private string, first one will be of course the comment, and another will be the user. Let me check in the cloud firestore. So comment and user, make sure your field names are same as of these variables, and then we'll just hit on the generate and we'll create getters. Select both, and okay, we don't need to retrieve the time, we don't have any use of it because we are not displaying time over here. What we can do here, we can add constraint and put it like 8 dp. So okay, so we have this model class as a comments. Now we'll need to create one adapter to retrieve the comments. So this will be like comments adapter, and this will extend to recycler view dot adapter, and we'll pass generics here in our class. So public class, and this will be comments view holder, and this will extend to recycler view dot view holder. We'll click alt enter to create matching constructor, and here we'll pass that comment view holder class, and we'll press alt enter and implement methods, 3 of them. So we'll first inflate the layout, so let's create one view. So view equals to layout inflator dot from the context. We'll create the context, so private activity, and this will be context. we'll pass in that context here, and then inflate r dot layout dot each comment, and then we'll pass the parent view group and attach to root false. Then we'll return new comments view folder, and this will be view. Okay, so again we need to create one list, so private list, and this will be type of the comments. Write it as a comment list. So now I will create one constructor, public comments adapter, this one, and we'll pass in the activity first, so activity context and the list of comments type, comments list, and we'll just set it, so this dot context equals to context, and this dot comment list equals to comments list, and in the get item count we'll write our comments list dot size. So in this video we'll just retrieve the comment, and in the next video we'll retrieve this profile pic and username. So in the previous videos, like in the post adapter class, we have done this, we have retrieved the user and username as well, so I hope you can do that, but if you don't, just wait for the next video. So we'll collect one text view that will be, let me just write it as m comment, and we'll create one view, so view and view, so this m view will equals to item view, and we'll create another method, so public void set m comment, and we'll pass in the string, so string comment, and we'll first find id of our m comment, so m comment equals to m view dot find view by id, r dot id dot our comment tv, then m comment dot set text, our comment that will come from the on bind view folder. Okay, so here what we'll do, so here we'll create one comments object, so comments that will be equals to our list, so comment list dot get, this will be position, and then we'll call our folder, so folder dot set m comment, and we'll write here comments dot get comment, and that will do our job. So till now we have set the comments, but we have to retrieve that data as well. So in our comments activity, let's just create first the comments adapter, so adapter, and again we'll require the list, so private list, this will be type of comments, and we'll name it as m list. So over here m list equals to new array list, and our adapter equals to new comments adapter, and we have to pass the context first, so comments activity dot this, and the list, that is m list, and our recycler view, so what is our recycler name, m comment recycler view dot set layout manager. Actually we have done that over here already, so I'll just delete this, and over here we'll just set this, so m comment recycler view dot set adapter, and we'll pass in our adapter over here. Okay, so this was about setting all the data. Now we need to retrieve the data as well, so what we can do, just after here, so over here we'll just copy this query, so Ctrl C, and I'll paste it over here, and we'll add snapshot listener, and I will put semicolon over here. So we'll run the for loop first. So for document change till value dot get document changes, and here we'll check if the document change dot get type equals to document change type dot added, else we'll just notify our adapter dot notify dataset change. So in the if condition, what we'll do first, we'll create the comments object. So comments, and this will be equals to document change dot get document to object, and we'll pass in our comments module class. So comments dot class, and we'll call our list, and add will pass in these comments, and we'll notify our adapter that dataset change. Okay, so this will retrieve the comments from the cloud firestore. So I will hit on the run button and we'll check it's working or not. So it is installed. So as you can see, our comment has been retrieved. So this is nice pick, and let me add another comment. Hit on the add comment. So as you can see, it has been retrieved really fast. So we don't need to add progress bar in this comments activity, but if you want, you can just add. So I will hit back and I'll try to comment on the picks. Okay, beautiful, and I will hit on the add comment. So as soon as I hit on the add comment, that comment has been retrieved. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll retrieve the user profile pic and username as well. So do subscribe, and thank you for watching.